Hello, sir. Sir,
Yes, good evening everyone. Just a minute, I'm just rechecking with my OneNote. I'm not able to open it. 1 second, guys. We'll start the session. Good evening, all.
good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, beta. Tell me. Yes. Yes, someone is calling me. Who's that? Yes, tell me.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So turn on your cameras, everyone. फटाफट जल्दी से जल्दी फटाफट वीडियो ऑन कीजिए आपका. शुरू करेंगे आज तो हम लोग. आज क्या करने वाला है आज? So what we are going to solve? I think we have started with a new chapter. Right?
I declare no new chapter, sir. Lines and angles completed. We are doing that addition exercise.
Yes, audition.
Cubic.
Yes. Yes, very good beta, very good. I hope everyone doing great. How are you all? First मुझे बताइए ये कैसा चल रहा है आपका, कैसा हाल कैसा है? सब बढ़िया,
Fine.
सब बढ़िया. सब लोग
Sir,
थोड़ा,
like this it is, sir.
सब लोग
Fine.
सब लोग एक बार हंस लेंगे. सब लोग हंसना चाहिए. हंसो, हंसो, हंसी आना चाहिए भाई. हाँ, हंसना है सब.
Laughing, sir, laughing.
You always will laugh, Swayan ji. Without reason he will laugh. See, now everyone will laugh. That's the reason I just crack a joke. Yes, beta. All right. चलो चलो, हाउ आर यू डूइंग ऑल? मुझे ये बताइए फटाफट जल्दी से जल्दी मुझे बताइए. वेदिका जी, नित्या जी, अक्षित जी, प्रणव, मोदिता, एवरीवन टर्न योर कैमरा. फटाफट जल्दी से తొందరగా ఆన్ చేయాలి మీ
Sir,
వీడియో.
you also.
Sir, even you should have.
Sir, we
Sir,
want
I
to
have
see
to
your
go and
face,
bring
sir.
my
You
book.
also answer.
Sir, can you excuse me for a moment? I have to go and bring my book.
Yes, Bhargav, tell me Bhargav. I should monitor you guys. You should not monitor me. See, that is completely depends on my handle. So I have to monitor you guys whether you guys are listening or not. If you are not listening, I should say that hey boy and girl, you should do that. You should listen. So that's for the reason. Yes, come on, फटाफट चलो. हम आरडी शर्मा को जाएंगे अभी. हाँ, यस प्रणव. 0 एंगल 0 डिग्री तो होता है प्रणव. Yes, where is Pranav here? I don't see
No,
Pranav.
sir, Harini
Pranav,
was asking to explain it.
huh?
Harini was asking to explain the zero angle.
The measure of the 0 angle is 0 degree. That's it. 0 angle kahan? If you want to measure, you take your that geometry box and measure it. You will be getting that. You'll be getting to know what is 0 angle. कैसा measure करना है? How do you measure that? You try it out. All right, बेटा. चलो आरडी शर्मा को क्रैक करेंगे आज.
Sir, QB discussion session.
हाँ?
Question paper discussion.
We didn't discuss the question paper.
No, sir.
No. अच्छा, तो question paper discuss करेंगे. Shall we do? Shall we do? I think first of all, congratulations on your achievement on the last week. Everyone have done a great job actually. So those who all got the top one rank, please raise your hands. Vedika, very good beta. Piyush, good. Aditya, good. Jivika, very good.
Sir, by the time I ended the test, you clarified my doubts, sir. So I didn't answer a question. Because of that, I came second.
अच्छा, I didn't get you. Bhargav. You are saying something, Bhargav? Yes.
Sir, like I had a doubt, sir. In the question, there were two correct options, sir.
See, yes.
Yes, sir. There's
So,
one.
Yes.
see. I cross-checked it. Those all are gave the B and C answer. I gave marks to everyone. So after that only I posted a result. It's not like that. I didn't give the marks. After that, I think marks. I just left it. It's not like that. I gave marks to everyone. Only four children. Vedika, Jivika got first rank, but they don't talk. They're not first in talking in a class. Yes, Ananya too got a good rank. I mean, first rank.
Sir, in WhatsApp, it doesn't show that. It shows that I've got second.
Yeah, sorry, you got second. No. I just in WhatsApp it doesn't show. Why? Because I just gave it as a B option, right? If I gave B and C both, it would have been shown like that. So I just posted it after just checking your answer. I checked individual papers and then I gave a result to everyone. All right. So that is whatever we have updated group. That is official, ma. Okay, clear? All right. आ रहा है समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
बेटा. चलो हम ये अभी yes question paper discussion. Yes, let me open the text. Class 9 test previous 11 जुलाई को था, तो प्रीव्यू टेस्ट में जाएंगे. अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर कहाँ से आया, एक मिनट. प्रीव्यू टेस्ट, हाँ इधर देखेंगे बेटा. यस, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, ज़्यादा.
Where did you share?
యా ఐ యామ్ షేరింగ్ ద స్క్రీన్, డోంట్ వరీ. అరే యార్ ముझे ఇప్పుడు కొట్టేటట్టే ఉన్నారు నేను షేర్ చేయకపోతే. ఎస్ హరిణి,
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయకపోతే నన్ను కొట్టేటట్టే ఉన్నారు కదా అంటున్నా.
No, sir, not like that. Just you were speaking, but not like I thought you were writing in the notepad.
No. Cool. Still, the first question. Can you see the first question from the choices given below? Mark the co-prime numbers. Now tell me, beta, what do you mean by the co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers क्या होता है? उसका क्या होना चाहिए? What is the co-prime number?
So factors should be 1.
For highest factor supposed to be 1, isn't it? HCF supposed to be 1. I said, like, which option is matching over there? Which option is matching there? Bhargav, don't worry, Bhargav, I gave mark to you. After giving a mark only, you got that mark. So it doesn't mean that I didn't give a mark to that question. I gave a mark everyone for the seventh one. Yes, seventh one.
Sir, it's not like sir. Like I didn't attempt the question. Like 2 options were correct, and I didn't attempt the question. I had to miss that question, or else if I attempt it wrong, then I'll get negative marking.
Acha.
No, but there is a
See,
programming in WhatsApp that if you don't attempt even one question, it's not going to take your submission. So you have to attempt the question.
see here, yes,
No, sir, we can skip the questions if need.
Yeah, we can skip. And one more thing, if you have an option, look at this here. If you got any kind of doubt, you can just immediately text me. Like few children, they texted me. Actually, I just clarified their doubt. I will give the mark, and I just posted in group as well, I think so, if I'm not wrong. Did I? So if you have
What?
no, if you have it, I think Piyush has texted me. Yes, Piyush and some other guy. See, if you have any doubts in the regard of question paper, so on this coming Sunday, you are going to write a test on. अरे यार सब चैप्टर टेस्ट लिख के क्या बोलता है, बहुत टेस्ट लिख दिया. चलो, we'll give a test on all chapter. Let us see. Not all chapter, bhai. So polynomials, let us write polynomials and linear equation 2 variables. Shall we do that?
Sir, only one chapter clip, sir.
No.
Okay, miss 2 chapters.
Okay, so guys, if you have any doubts, you can test me. Yes. So chalo, first question, find the choices given below, mark the co-prime numbers. So the option A is going to be correct. Yes. The rational number equivalent to 5/7 is what?
10/14.
10/14. So equivalent means I supposed to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, isn't it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I supposed to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, which is 5/7. If I multiply with the 2 in the numerator and denominator, 5 2s 10 and 7 2s 14, which gives me third option.
10/14.
right? An example for whole number. इधर बहुत simple था यार. Whole number कौन सा है इधर? हाँ? Which is the example whole number?
0. Option A.
0. Hari, Johnny. Yes. A given rational number minus 5 by 9. This rational number can also be written as what?
A real number.
Huh?
A real number.
Given a rational number 5 by 9 minus 5 by 9, this rational number can be also written as, can be known as what? Minus 5 by 9 is a rational number as well as? It is a natural number. Of course, not a natural number. It is a whole number. Tell me, is it a whole number?
No, sir.
No, it is not a whole number. A fraction. A fraction. Of course, it's a fraction, but a number. He's talking about a number. He's talking about a number. So, of course, it's a real number. So, yes, the rational number 0.3 bar can also be written as what?
1 by 3.
Huh?
Sir, 1 by 3.
1 by 3. 1 by 3. Two people are in waiting room. Who are they? I think Harini is facing some issue to join the session. Yes. Okay. 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, if you divide 1 with a 3, you are going to get 0.3333333333333. It goes away. Okay. So it never ends. So 0.333 something like that. All right. So 0.3 also can be written as 0.3 bar. It shows you 0.333. It is repeating. All right. Recurring decimal.
Sir, but option B is also correct, right?
Huh?
Sir, option B is also correct, right?
Which option?
So 3 by 10.
So what? Which option given? 1 second, guys. The way option.
Sir, 3 by 10 is 0.3, not
0.
0.3 bar.
Huh? 3 by 10 gives you what? 0.3 exact. It is a 0.3 exact. It gives you an exact decimal. It gives you exact answer. But 1 by 3 not gives you. That is the difference. Who said this answer? Who said?
Sir, Rishikesh.
Rishikesh beta 0 by very good beta. I appreciate your effort. So 3 by 10 क्या होता है? 3 by 10. If you divide 3 with a 10, you will get exact 0.3. You won't get your decimal. Your digit will not get reactor. So 0.33 नहीं आएगा वहाँ पे. अरे समझ, you won't get that. 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3 exactly. अगर if you are dividing 3 with a 10, you will be getting exact 0.3. It is not the case with a 1 by 3. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if the decimal representation of a number is non-terminating, देखो समझिए क्वेश्चन समझिए everyone. If a decimal representation of a number is non-terminating, let me write.
Irrational.
Look at this here. 3 by 10 given. If you divide 3 with a 10, 0 you write here 0.330. So remainder is 0. That is not the case with the 1 by 3. If you divide 1 with a 3,
0.3 bar.
0.39. Again 1. Again you wrote already decimal here. Let us keep 0 again. 3. So 9. Again 1. You wrote already decimal. Right. It goes on. It never ends like that. All right, that is the difference, Rishikesh. I hope I cleared your doubt. Chalo. Sixth question, the decimal representation of a number is non-terminating. A decimal representation of a number is non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. Then the number is what?
Irrational number.
Irrational number.
Sorry?
Irrational number.
It can't be a natural number, of course. It can't be a rational number. It can't be a whole number. It will be a irrational number. Non-repeating and non-terminating. वो कभी అది దాని ఏమంటారు డెసిమల్ తర్వాత ఆగట్లేదు అంటే రిపీట్ అవ్వట్లేదు ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు ప్లస్ రిపీట్ కూడా అవ్వట్లేదు ఇట్స్ కీప్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఆల్ రైట్ ఇట్స్ కీప్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ సుజయ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ గుడ్ చలో స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ which number is a rational? Arey bhai, B and C is correct here. 1.96 and 0.04 gives you a rational number. Square root of these numbers is rational number. So where 7 and 13 is not possible, so B and C would be correct here. So I gave mark to everyone. Those all are attempted this question. I gave to everyone actually. Clear? Ek minute. Chalo. Next. So the rational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. How can we do this? The rational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7.
So we can first check the denominators and compare it with both the numbers.
Hmm.
Like
How-
taking LCM.
Yeah, taking LCM. If you take LCM, what is your LCM? LCM is going to be what?
Sir, either 14 or 12. Yeah, either 14 or 12 because the options are 14 and 12.
14 and 12. Option only 14 is there, no 12 is there.
Sorry,
14.
sir. I mean 21, sir. I mean 21. Sorry.
Yes. Yes, 7-3 is 21 and 7-2 is 14. So,
Yes.
yes, only two options are available. So, which option is going to be correct now? Bataiye. Tell me, how can we solve this question? Arey yaar, already we have solved this question in last exam.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
There
have
will be
to,
the
Yes, yes. Tell me, someone is talking. I think Ananya. Is Ananya.
yes, sir, we have to find the decimal value for 1/7 and 2/7. And we have to find the decimal value for the options given. And whichever decimal value is between 1/7 and 2/7, it's the answer.
It's
Sir,
on.
instead of
But
that,
instead
we
of
can-
doing that, you know, it is a big. Yes, 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 please, Payush.
Yes, sir. I was saying instead of that, what I did was like I first converted into 14 denominator and 21
Yes,
denominator.
listen to him. Listen
Yes.
to him carefully, everyone. Listen to him. Yes, you tell me whether your answer also matching with him or not. Yes, yes. Please, Pranav, continue. Piyush.
Yes, sir. So first I converted into 14, denominator 14, and then I compared the 14 ones, but none of them was in between the range. So I went to the 21, like 1/7 into 3/3 and 2/7 into 3/3. I got 5/21 in between.
Okay. And how did you do, Vedika?
Sir,
How did you do this?
so like yes, how Piyush said, that's the same way I did.
Acha. Okay. What about what he has explained? Can you please explain it again?
Yes, first we have to compare the the denominator, and then I have made them equivalent fractions. I have multiplied both the numbers into I have multiplied up and down with the same number, and then I have compared here where's the option like.
Very good, beta. Very good. What about Vedika?
So I have said just now.
Yeah, Vedika. Sorry, Jivika. Yes. Everyone turn on your cameras and talk to me. Yes. Jivika, are you here? She's not here. Yes. Jivika, are you here? Are you there? Yes. Devasri, have you done this, ma? Yes. Come on. Tell me. What's going on? Yes, Pranav. Tell me, Pranav, how you done this?
Sir, which one?
Huh? How did you solve this question? So the eighth one I'm talking about.
Sir, I multiplied both the denominators until I got a number that was I took the equivalent fractions of both of them.
How did
Up
you
to-
do equivalent? How did you take an equivalent fraction?
Sir, I multiplied them, the numerator and denominator, by the same number
So
on both
with
sides.
what number you multiplied and what did you get?
Sir, I multiplied by 3 and I got 5/21.
You multiplied by 3. So 3/21 into 3/21 and 6/21 you got.
Yes, sir. And then from the options, it shows 5/21.
Okay. What about yes, Akshit ji? How did you do, Akshit ji?
Sir, what I did was I took an equivalent number, which is 3. I multiplied 1/7 and 2/7 by 3, and I got 5/21.
5 by?
Sir, I got two numbers, and between that number, the number which was correct was 5/21.
What are the numbers you got? I'm asking.
Sir, I don't remember, sir. I can do it.
With what number? With what number you multiply?
Sir, with 3, sir. I multiplied 3/21 and 6/21.
Okay.
And
4/21 is not available, so 5/21 is available. So that would be your option. That's how you.
Yes, sir. Before that, I tried another method, which is 1 plus 1 equals to 2 and multiplying 2 plus 2 by both the sides.
Okay. Okay.
And then I didn't get the answer. So then I tried with
The
3.
method whichever you do, that is right answer. Krishna Chaitanya, you done with this?
Yes, sir. Same.
Same. Chalo. Ninth question. The number 1.10, 100, 1000, 10,000 is what?
So one doubt.
Yes.
So,
yes.
So in the seventh question, I didn't understand why the root of 7 is not rational. It's no, there's no bar, right?
No bar. It is not like that. No, let me write here. So 1.96 and 0.04. Look at this here. 1.
Yes, I understand that one has 1.2, one has 1.4. The other have a big decimal number.
So this is has been given. आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो you can just write like this 196 divided by 100. This can be written as 4 by 100. So 4 by 100 can be written as 2 by 10. And this can be written as 14 by 10. Alright, Samaj? Alright. So this can be written as 1.4. This can be written as 0.2.
Okay.
Alright. Yes.
So why? Okay. Okay.
What is your doubt now?
Nothing, sir. That's it.
Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Next question. Yes. Ninth one, the number 1.10, 100, 100, 100, 140, 150 is a what? It is what?
Irrational number.
It is a
irrational number.
It is non-repeating. It is non. What kind of is this? You know, we have to study the definition here. It is a non-terminating and
non-recurring.
Which is not repeating. All right. Now, on adding 2 root 3 and 3 root 2, we get what? On adding 2 root 3 and 3 root 2, what we are going to get?
So the same number itself.
2 root 3 plus 3 root 2.
2 root 2. So 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2.
3 root 2, sir.
3 root 2. And adding. Very simple. And then dividing. I'm dividing 6 roots 27 by 2 root 3. We both very basic question. You must know all this. Okay. Basics. These all are basics. You must aware of all this. Clear? So what did you? Sorry, 1 second. How did you get? Make it fast. Tell me.
Sir, it's 3 root 9.
It is 3 root 9. 3 root 9. How we are going to do ones? So root 27 can be written as 3 root 3 and yes. So 2 ones 3 3 is 9 by root 3. Yes, by root 3 root 9. Correct only. Chalo.
Sir, I kept 3 root 9 only, sir, but it is showing wrong. Yes, sir.
1 second. 1 second. 6.
Sir,
1 second. 1 second. Let us do that. Let us do that. Don't worry.
I think the answer is 9, sir. Not.
We'll check it out once. Look at this now. So 6 root 29 can be root 27 can be written as root 9 3 2 root 3 and look at the 6 into root 9 can be written as 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3. Gaya 9 answer, not root. 9 is the answer. 9.
Sir, 3 root 9 means 9 only, no, sir. 3 root 9 means root 81. Root 81 means 9 only, no, sir.
Yes, that is a cube root, a cubed root of 9, I guess. That is a third root of 9. So that is looking like 3 root 9. Is it looking like 3 root 9?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Look at this. One thing here. I would like to tell here. You just tell me one thing here. If it is that is the case, 3 root 9. If it is that is the case, this root 9 can be written as plus or minus 3. How many of you agree with my point? Is it? Can it write? Can we write like that? Look at this. If I do plus or minus, what is the square of plus or minus 3? Plus 3 whole square gives me 9. Minus 3 whole square gives me 9 only. All right.
Yes,
all right. So that is the reason. That is the reason why we are writing 9. Who asked that doubt?
Sir, Krishna Chaitanya.
Chalo beta. Next question. 11th one. Minus 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 5. How much? It is an what?
It's an irrational number.
That is an irrational number. It is not a positive rational. It is not a negative rational. It is not an integer. So of course it is an irrational number. So 13th one, root 12, root 10 minus root 2. How much? What we are going to get if you do this? Equal to 0. an irrational number, a negative number?
So irrational number, we can't add them, sir.
An irrational.
Yes, we can't add. So 14th one minus 7 plus 4 root 7 minus 3 root 7. How much? Again, what you are going to get?
An irrational number.
Same, so irrational number.
Same, an irrational number again you are going to get. Yes, the number again. Yes, 3 minus root 3 and 3 plus root 3. A minus b into a minus b. So 9 minus
It's rational.
6. It is going to be rational, not irrational. అన్ని irrational అవుతున్నాయి, ఇది కూడా irrational అవుతుంది అని చెప్పి irrational పెడితే రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. So look at this. So all numbers are getting irrational number. So this is also would be rational number, irrational number. It is not the case. So it is looking like a minus b and a plus b, right? So you can write a square minus b square. A square gives you 9 minus b square gives you 3. So 9 minus 3 6. So 6 can be a rational number. All right. Chalo. So 16th one. How many have you done 16th one? Which of the following are corresponding angle pairs? Corresponding angle pairs.
Angle P and angle W.
Angle P and W are corresponding.
Angle P and angle W.
Yes. So AB is parallel to CD, EF is perpendicular to CD, and angle GED given 135 as per the given below. So what is the value of age? What is the age of? Piyush is getting sleep.
No, sir.
What is angle AGE?
Sir, it should be 135 degrees.
135.
Yes. So angle G is asking for G. Angle AGE. So he has given what? GED. GED given. So how it is going to be 135? Can anyone of you please? Yes, Tostika will explain me now. Ananya, yes, tell me.
Sir, there are alternate interior angles. There are alternate interior angles.
They are alternate
interior angles.
G
and
GED. Yes, GED and AGE. Alternate interior angles. So answer is going to be what? Same thing.
135 degrees.
Yes. So guys, this is what the question paper discussion. Now tell me any doubts from the question paper. Shall we move forward for the next?
Sir, this week is polynomials and linear equations, sir.
Linear equation in 2 variables and polynomials, 2 chapters. So if you
in YZAP or topper?
In YZAP only. In topper, if I create a quiz on topper again, what will happen is, the same questions are repeating. So I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Chalo, guys, tell me.
Sir, can we have a quiz?
Oh, why? Who is that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Krishna Chaitanya.
But we do have a quiz at the end of the class every day, you said. Right?
Every day.
Yes, sir. We'll have it at the end of the class now.
So हम लोग अगर बीच में class के बीच में करेंगे तो हम लोग
that will be weird.
Weird. And when we are going to finish the syllabus, tell me. Yes.
Okay. In February, sir.
But we are supposed to finish by November.
Sir, no quiz, sir. At last quiz.
Okay. Chalo. Now who is this? Nitya is joining now. Yes. Tell me, guys, how many of you finished? How many of you are solving your R.D. Sharma solutions? Like R.D. Sharma 9th standard book. How many have you done with their solutions?
I don't have the books, so I'm using the other reference books, sir.
Yes, good. So whatever, but keep solving the sums.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. चलो हम लोग अभी करेंगे क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा मैंने क्वेश्चन दूंगा अभी. Let me give the questions. Chalo, we have solved yesterday. I mean, in last class we have solved plenty of sums based upon finding x and y values by using linear pair and x, y, z. Chalo. Now, guys, look at this here. Let me give you this one. These 2 lines are here.
Sir, I have one doubt in one sum, sir. One sum I have doubt, sir.
Yes. And guys, look at this here. whatever the doubts you have, whatever the doubts, irrespective of your irrespective of subject, I said, irrespective of the chapter, please post your doubts in Wise app, so that we'll collect all those doubts together in one session. We'll
Sir, in this chapter only sir doubt.
1 second, man. So we'll collect all the doubts together. I'll collect all the doubts together, and we'll have a doubt session one day. So if you have doubts, you can ask me. If you have doubts, immediately you can clarify your doubts. If you have anything, so you can just post in Wise app, so that others also can get benefited. All right, you understand? So line L given. Yes, Piyush, ask me a doubt. Not Piyush. What's that? Shreyal. Piyush, who is that? Shreyanji.
Yes.
Tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir, I have doubts.
Tell me, what's your doubt? That's what I'm calling you.
Sir, if they if they will give this like this A, B, C, D, this you kept no sir 1, 2, 3, 4. In that place only you keep A, B, C, D, sir. If they give angle A is equal to 20 degrees, find this angle C, and this also. They gave only one angle, sir. They told to find both this 5, 6, 7, 8 also.
Look at this. Look at this here. See here, if one angle, for suppose angle 1 is equal to given that 50 degrees. What is angle 2 is going to be? Tell me.
130.
130.
50 plus x is equal to 180 degrees.
అరే యార్ మనం అట్లా చేయొద్దు, మైండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి, తొందరగా చెప్పాలి. 130 50 plus 130 ఎంత 180 అలా. You have to tell me that like that. Clear? So 50, if one angle is 50 degrees, yes, you can do like that. 50 plus x is equal to 180 you can do in your board exam. I mean in your final exam. But I'm asking you how to give me the quick answer. 50 plus x is equal to 180. If you tell like that, sun will get set. So chalo, now one is 50 degrees, second angle is 130 degrees. Now compare others. So now fifth angle is going to be also what?
130 degrees.
130 degrees.
130 degrees.
130.
Why 130?
It should be 50 degrees.
Okay, 50
corresponding angles are
corresponding.
Look at this here, 55th also, this is also 130 now. Now tell me, if it is a second is 130, then fourth angle is going to be what?
130.
Alternating degrees. Third angle is going to be 150. So if it is fourth one is 130, eighth one is also 130. Why? Because alternate, I mean corresponding angles. Now if it is third one is 50, seventh one is also 50. We found all the angles.
Sir, how much fast you?
Very good. Chalo, now shall we go for the next one? Nothing is there to find it out, man. Very simple. Chalo. Now this question, I'm going to give this question. So he's asking you to find in the figure A, B, C, D and angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio. Angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio that 3:2. So determine all angles from 1 to 8. Make it fast.
So privately we should reply.
Privately you can reply. Yes. Angle 1 and 2 are in 3:2 ratio. Make it fast. फटाफट बताइए. Give me angle 1, 2, 3, 4 in order. Don't give me one first angle first and 8th angle after that. So don't give me like that. Give me in order, please. And turn on your cameras, everyone. Bhargav ji, cheyi tondara. Bhargav, are you solving? Are you here, Bhargav? He can't hear me.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I'm solving.
Good. Angle 1 and 2 in the ratio of 3:2. So, are you started giving the answers? I'm not able to open this. 1 second.
Sir, I replied privately.
Yes, Piyush, you are right. So what about 5th and 7th angle, 6th and 8th angle? Make it fast.
So 6, 7, 8 and okay.
Good. Bhargav right, Piyush right.
Sir, did you get my answer?
Sorry, beta.
Sir, did you get my answer?
Yes, 1 second. Let me correct. I'm just checking all the answers. Yes, Vedika, you are right, Vedika ji. No, fifth and seventh both supposed to be same. Vedika, you wrote something wrong. So 1 and 3 supposed to be same. Yes, you are right. So 1 and 3 angles will be same. So first angle is 108, second angle 72. So second and fourth angle supposed to be same. Yes, very good. The fifth and seventh supposed to be same, no beta. Fifth and seventh, fifth to 72 you wrote. Fifth and seventh alternate interior angles. Fifth and seventh. If third is 108, seventh also supposed to be 108, na?
Yes.
You wrote wrong. Check it out. Krishna Chaitanya, you are right.
Sir, can you check my answers?
Yes,
Sir, I wrote 7 through 108 only.
Where?
So did you get my answer?
I'm talking about fifth one. Fifth one. What is the fifth angle?
Got it.
Fifth and seventh supposed to be same, no? Yes. Toshnika, 1 second. So Toshnika, angle 472. Don't write like this, please. You write in order, please. Angle 72. Okay, angle 2. Yes, good. What about other angles, Toshnika? Aditya, okay. 6 and 8. Very good, Aditya. So yes, Akshit, fourth angle 69. I don't think so, beta. Sixth angle should not be 69. Check it out. You made something wrong.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first angle. Okay, good. Ananya, you are right. Absolutely right. Chalo. Yes. So look at this here. First and third angle are in the ratio of 3:2. How can we solve this? So first and angle, so this angle, this one and this one, 3:2 ratio. Let us say 3x plus 2x is equal to how much?
Sir, you get my answer, sir.
Yes. Arini, I didn't get your answer. Where is your answer?
Sir, I posted.
I can't see your answer. So you have left the meeting and joined now. So you repost your answer. I didn't see your answer. Okay, where is your answer? I didn't get your answer actually. Please post it out. So 3x plus 2x, how much? 5x is equal to 180 degrees. So 1x is equal to how much? 36.
36.
So first angle is going to be now what? 3 into 36. 108. So 2 into 36, how much now?
72.
So second angle is 72 now. Third angle is what? Sorry, first angle is how much? 108. First angle is 108. 108 we got. How? For this is the first angle, this is the second angle. All right, 108. You understand how I wrote ratios and proportion? How I'm solving, guys? You understand, children?
Yes, sir.
If you're not, look at this here. So here x value 36, right? So this is my 3x. 3x means 3 into 36. Here 2x means 2 into 36. So 3 into 36 gives me 108 degrees. 2 into 36 gives me 72 degrees. So angle 1 is 108, angle 2 is 72. If angle 1 is 108, the angle 3 is also going to be 108. Angle 2 is 72 means angle 4 also going to be 72. If angle 1 is 108, angle 5 is also going to be 108. Angle 2 is 72 means angle 6 also going to be 72. Angle 3 is 108, angle 7 is going to be 108, and the angle 4 and these are equal. Clear? Or vertical opposite angles are equal or corresponding angles. You can compare anything. All right. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Shall we go forward? Shall we move forward now?
Yes, sir.
Now next question. Next question. This has given 3 lines given here. So L, M, N given that, and one transversal line given which is here angle is making angle X, here angle is making angle Y, angle is Z. Oh my goodness. Angle here given.
So while writing our answer, should we also put in the property which we're using?
No issues. You write the answers. If I want, I'll explain. I'll ask you to explain. Then you can explain me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, angle 2 here angle is Z. Okay. Chalo. Now he's asking us to find angle 1, 2, 3 here. Here this is 1, this is 2, guys. This is 2 here. Okay, 2, 3. And this is angle Y, this is angle X. So he's asking us to find angle 1, 2, 3. So figure LM and N are parallel lines intersected by transversal line X, Y, Z. And
Sir, what is opposite to 2?
Is Z, X, Y, Z. Make it fast. Make it fast. So only 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
I sent in 1, 2, 3 order.
Okay. Good. Right, Ananya Ji, right answer. Yes, Ananya. Vedika, can you please explain me how it is?
Sir, here angle 3 will be, sir, angle 3 and 120 degree are linear pair. So angle 3 is 60 degree and angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding angles. So they will be equal.
So 1 and 3 will be equal. So angle 2 is what now?
Angle 2 is alternative interior angle. So angle 2 will be 120 degree.
Angle 2 will be interior. So alternate interior. This is my interior angle. This is interior and this is also interior. All right. So this is exterior, right? So interior. So 2 will be 120. Alternate interior. All right. Yes. Very good explanation. Akshit, right answer. Vedika, right answer. Akshit, right answer. Nitya, Aditya, right answer. Krishna Chaitanya, right answer. Beta. Kaji, right answer. Kaji, right answer. Kaji, wrong answer. What is first angle is 60? Okay. What is 2 is equal to 60? I didn't get you. 2 is equal to 120. Okay. 3 is equal to 60. Angle third is equal to 60 degrees. Yes. Understood, beta? Any doubts here? So 1 and 1. See, angle 3 and 120 making linear pair. So angle 3 will be 160 degrees. That is the only funda. That is the only funda where I can get. All right. If angle 3 is 60 degrees, beta, so then angle 1 will be what? 60 degrees. Why? Because corresponding angles, corresponding positions, isn't it? Yes. So if angle 1 is 60 degrees here, so here, if angle, look at this here, it is 120 degrees here, angle 2 and this angle 120 degrees is what? Alternate interior angle. So angle 2 will be 120 degrees. That is the reason. Chalo, next question. Next question. I think we don't make a quiz today. So we'll have a quiz in the next class. Okay, all right.
Why, sir?
And actually tomorrow we'll be having compensation class, as I promised you all. From the next week onwards, guys, from the next week onwards, so probably we'll try to have in a weekdays itself. On Wednesday, how many of you okay with 4 to 5 on Wednesday?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because on Wednesday, my timetable is getting clashed. So yes.
Is it that much classes you have?
So yes, that is what the reason. Look at this, on Wednesday, my classes are getting clashed with the 12th class. So on Wednesday, so 4 to 5. Is it fine with everyone? I'll be having voting in. I'll be posting this message in group. You just acknowledge. Put your thumbs up here.
Actually, our group is only for admins.
Yes, sir. Only teachers
only
can.
admins can see classes.
Oh, is it so? Okay. So no issues. I'll yes. Now I'm just asking you for the voting. Tell me how many of you are okay with that. How many of you are okay with that? Put your thumbs up here.
I raised my hand.
Yes, sir.
Chat box. Chat box. 5 members raised your hand. Chat box. Put your thumbs up. Put your thumbs up. Yes, you can raise your hand at least. 7, 8. Come on.
So for what, sir? 6 to 7?
No. 4 to 5. On Wednesday, 4 to 5 class. How many of you are okay with this? Yes.
But I'm not comfortable for next Wednesday, sir.
Why? Yeah, for one Wednesday is fine. But you'll be having with the next from next Wednesday onwards, you'll be comfortable with that, right?
So, but I have my other classes during that point of time.
Sorry?
Me too, sir.
I have another class during that point of time, sir.
Okay. Who's that?
Me too, sir. Harini.
Oh.
First, Chanakya tutorials was at 5 o'clock. So we shifted our timing to that time, sir. Now if you shift the timing, it's difficult.
Oh.
Sir, I have next Wednesday I have exams, sir, till 4:10.
Okay. So after that you can attend from 4:15.
Yes, sir. After 4:10 I can attend.
Yes, no problem. Yes, what about others? What about other children?
Sir,
It's
I'm
okay.
having social class, sir.
Every Wednesday?
Not every Wednesday, sir. Every day I'm having social class at 4:20 to 5, sir.
Okay.
Actually, so 4 to like 3:20 to 4 I have the language class.
Then
So
other
again,
days, from on Monday. So on Monday, however you are going to have. And Tuesday?
so Tuesday also same, sir. The same schedule every
So
week. But except Monday we have drawing class, sir.
On Monday?
From 4:20 to 5. On Monday we have drawing class, sir. That's it. Reminding us all we are having social, sir.
Okay.
Can you hear?
Better thing I can say one thing, sir. Tuesday night, 6:15 to 7.
But I will be having another class, right?
Sir,
How many
instead
classes you
of
will have, sir?
sir,
Every day I'll be
instead of
having
Wednesday, you can keep on Saturday, right?
Sir, Saturday it will be very tight.
That is why I do
Sir.
not want to take on Saturday. That is why I'm asking you.
Sir, we will go out on Saturday. Who knows, sir?
Yes, sir.
But I just would like to give a break on Saturday, so let me try it on.
No, sir. No, sir. No Saturday.
Huh? Yes.
Sir, both the timings are okay for me.
Yes, that is what I'm asking. So, yes. So
Sir, you can keep in.
So I think it should be
afternoon.
majority, sir. Since
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
so I think it should be a majority.
Yeah, for majority people, as per that, will be deciding on that. So Akshit,
Sir.
what about you? Akshit,
Yes, sir.
is it fine for you?
Yes, sir. That's what I was telling, sir. It should be majority. I'm fine with 4 to 5, sir.
So then I'm going to miss the class, right, sir? Every Wednesday I'm going to miss the class.
That is what I'm not taking. Otherwise, I would have made that 4 to 5. But that is what I'm thinking. Still, we'll have, we'll plan after 7:15 then one day. Is it fine after 7?
Sir, 7:15.
Yes, sir, that's absolutely
Yes,
fine.
sir, that's fine.
So yes, how many of you okay with after 7 to 8, something like that, or 7:15 to
7 to 8 will be tired, sir.
7:50. Sorry, 7:30 to 8:30. How many of you okay with this?
No, sir, I'm not okay.
Sir, 7:30 to 8:30. No, sir.
No, sir, I'm
No,
not
sir, I will be
okay.
way too late.
So yeah,
That's
sir,
way
for
too
me
late.
too.
Sir, I will have one extra class, sir, like a notebook checking class. It will be at 7:30 to 8:30.
Notebook checking.
I should show my notes.
Yes.
Sir, don't know, sir. They will shout at me, sir. Why you did not join? We are keeping you extra classes. We are taking our time. So much of time we are sparing for you. You are not coming like this. So what is this? They will shout like this.
Okay. What about others? Tell me. Yes, come on.
Sir, it's way too late for me.
Okay with the
So
time,
it's
sir.
too late for me.
Okay. Let me discuss with the Manoj sir in this regard, and we'll discuss. I'll post.
So can you, sir, if you are okay, can you keep the class in the morning, sir?
No, school classes are there.
School classes are there. That is why.
Sir, 5 to 6, sir. Morning 5 to
Morning to evening, sir.
6. Sir, morning 5:30 to 6:30. Like that.
Sir, that early I can't wake up, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
So many children are not okay.
at 6 to 7, sir. Anything is okay.
Yeah, sir, you can keep.
What if we just have 4 classes a week?
But 6 to 7 it is also okay for me, sir. Except after 5 I can attend the classes.
Okay. So
Before 5 means no one will come. After 5 only will come, sir.
Sir, I guess it'll be better if we have it on like Saturday or Sunday, because that's the only time we all are free.
Yes, sir, exactly.
on Saturday, Sunday, many.
So Saturday, Sunday, it will be everyday classes then, sir.
Yeah. So many of you are not okay with the Saturday actually. Yeah.
So what about on Tuesdays or?
See here, every day I'll be having, whenever I don't have your class, I'll be having other class, like, for 11th and 12th. That's why.
So is it okay if you only have like 4 classes a week?
4 classes a week. For 3 classes, if time is not getting adjusted, you're going for 4 classes. So that is what I'm thinking. We'll see, Sujay. For 3 classes itself, time.
No, sir, I'm telling overall. Now we have 5, right?
Weekly 5 we don't have, right? We have only 3 weekly.
No, so I'm talking like both science and maths combined.
Oh, science and math. I'm talking about only science. I'm talking about only maths actually. Science, I'm not sure. You have to ask.
So then we can have like 2 a week.
No, 2 a week math is not possible. 3 is must. So minimum 3 should be there.
So minimum 3 or 2 should be, sir.
Sir, you
Minimum
can keep
3.
in the morning like 6 to 7. 6 to 7 a.m.
Sir, all will come, sir.
Yes, sir, actually.
Sir, but I'm late. That is hard to get.
Arine, your voice is breaking.
Okay, so we'll discuss.
So it is fine too, sir.
I'll discuss with Manoj sir and let you know, no issues. And everyone try to solve this question, okay? And find HKL here. Find HKL. I'll be posting these notes. I'll be sharing these notes with you all. Find this question. I'll talk to Manoj sir in this regard, and we'll decide the timing, okay? And let you know in the group, okay? Thank you. We'll meet in the next session, children. So please keep solving the questions, and I'll be posting one more worksheet probably. So try to solve that worksheet as well. Finish the worksheet
Okay,
which has
sir.
been assigned to you earlier. See,
Okay, sir.
in the Google class, see here. In this time, I'll be posting a Google worksheet in Google Classroom. I'll be giving it as assignment. So where you can scan it and post it over there. I can view it. So last time what we have done is I just created it as a material and posted it, which is not possible to post your answers actually. So this time I'll create it as assignment and send you. So you can just post you can scan your answers and send it over there. You can just upload it over there. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All
Thank
right.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.